What's up, guys? The 2022 factory edition KTM 450 SXF motorcycles have not yet been released, but we have built one even better than the 2021 versions. Coming in close, I'll take you on a walk around of this better than factory edition that we've created here at MotoCity Powersports. So the 2021 factory edition motorcycle had an orange frame. That was one of the key differentiators. The stock 450 SXSs had black frames, but this guy here has an orange frame as well, so you're completely dialed in there. Another factory edition piece is going to be this ready-to-race Wi-Fi Connect system up here at the top. We have this thing dialed in, so the owner of this bike is going to have that same feature that the factory bikes have. Some of the other factory components are going to be the orange sprockets, chain guard. We've got a front disc cover. We have the split triple clamp. Now this is a huge benefit on the factory bike over the stock 450 SXF, and we have that installed here on this bike. Some of the other things that the factory bike has are wheels. We did not do the wheels. About the only thing different between the factory wheels and these wheels here are the actual hubs are not anodized orange, nor are the nipples, but those are the two big things that were different on the factory wheels. Now you can add factory wheels, a factory part here at the website listed in the description and here at the bottom of the screen. Of course, they had an Akrapovic exhaust on the factory bike. We went with the FMF 4.1. The factory bike is also running the gray ODI grips, which we installed with official KTM Powersports donuts. The factory KTM hole shot device is also on the factory version KTM. We went with the Pro Taper SELA, and we think that this is actually a better unit than the one that comes on the factory machine. This is a self-engaged launch assist. Basically, you come up here, grab a bunch of brakes, it's gonna compress your suspension, and this guy's gonna lock into this tab right here, so you can actually set your bike up for the start by yourself on your way to the starting gate. Huge benefit. Now the factory bike has a semi-floating rotor. We did not do the rotor on this bike, but that's one of the only things that the factory bike has on it that this bike doesn't. Now let's take a quick walk around of some of the other components that we put on this bike that we think makes it better than factory. We went ahead and put it on the Cherubi's flag guards here. We've got folding levers from the Hard Parts catalog, Powersports catalog, super awesome. We did the anodized brake and clutch reservoir covers. Moving down here, we did carbon fiber fork guards. We did the Cherubi's front brake rotor cover. Moving this direction, we went with the composite skid plate. This thing is super light and super durable. We've got all of the orange bling that you can imagine on this thing. We did the Cherubi's frame guards as well. These are about another third taller than the factory frame guards, and they have lots of gripper on them that the OEM part does not. Down here, we have the TMD factory edition chain guard. We went one tooth larger on the rear sprocket. Up here at the top, we added the billet gas cap with vent hose. That thing is gorgeous. Now when it comes to performance, we put a couple pieces on. We have the high pressure radiator cap there. This is 2.0 bar instead of 1.8 that the factory comes with. We added the factory folding shift lever, and these pegs down here from Fastway are phenomenal. Now the factory edition bike has the Hinson Racing clutch cover. We went with the Recluse. This actually holds 0.8 liters more oil than the factory bike, so it allows you to be able to have just a little bit cooler running oil in the machine. And of course, we topped it off with the Powersports orange oil cap. Back here in the back of the bike, we added a shark fin to the back of this thing to protect that rotor while out there riding on the trails or on the track. This thing is absolutely dialed. We're calling this the 2022 better than factory KTM 450 SXF. If you're looking for a 450 SXF, we have this one on the floor and it is ready to go home in the bed of your pickup truck. So give us a call at the number at the bottom of the screen and reserve this one today. I'm Kyle Bradshaw. Thank you guys for watching. This here's MotoCity. Until next time, take care and ride safe.